I took out the laundry, Mom! Oh? Down here? Well, I guess no one's here. Alright, who's there? Hello? Hello?
Wow! Dude, I was taking a crap!
God.
My God! Dude, why'd you come in the bathroom, man?
Well, who? I don't know, man. Who was making that sound?
I was making that sound. Okay, maybe it was a big crap. I was taking a huge dump, alright? Sorry, jeez.
You always have to use my bathroom.
Well,
So, guess the only thing now is to, chill and eat some wafers.
alright, man, let's go. I love my wafers.
Give me some of that.
I love my wafers. Good stuff. What was that? To be continued.